You know, to start with, in the video he talks about how awesome the websites are that they build, but there's actually a way to see how awesome the websites are. Let's start by seeing if he did the SEO correctly. One-page websites for $1. To start with, a one-page website is crap anyway. The more pages you have, the better it is. I mean, there's so many reasons why you don't want a one-page website, but let's leave all that aside. To start by saying that the website is, anything I say about it, his price, look at that, it disappears to red. The mouse over totally disappears. When you click on price, nothing happens. This is your designer. This is the guy you're going to hire to design the website. None of these links even work. So, okay, now something's happening. We move up the page, everything you need to look professional. I mean, I don't even see where the prices are at. He's got prices here. If you click on it one time, nothing happens. Click on it twice, 2, 3. The second go it moved. I don't know why. But the price thing doesn't work. Does this one work? Nope, that doesn't work. Does features work? Nope. FAQ? The FAQ does some crazy stuff, but it does not take you to the FAQ. It takes you to, okay, you have questions, we have answers. But to check this code, I mean, it's not just, it's not just that you can say, hey, this is a crappy design because when you mouse over, the link disappears. I mean, that's obvious. But there's a way to check to see how good the website is. If you put this into Google, and this is a one-page website. This is nothing. This is a one-page single website with nothing on it. This is as plain and as simple as you can possibly get. Despite that, the first content pane is in 3.2 seconds. Google says if the first content pane isn't in under a second, they will abandon the spider. They're not even going to, which there's nothing for them to do here. It's just one page, so it's not like they've got anywhere to go. But if the largest content pane isn't under 2.5 seconds, it'll have ranking penalties. People will abandon the site. There's all kinds of evidence to show if a website takes more than 3 seconds to load, 53% of the people will leave the website. So, and it gets a 44% on Google. This is Google's tool. This is Google's thing. And this is what Google uses for ranking websites. And look at all these errors. A one-page website is full of errors. I mean, was it embedded code, embedded player, software? I mean, it's just got all kinds of stuff on it. Now, not only that, even though this is a piece of crap one-page website, you've also got it's full of errors. I mean, it's got error. One error can prevent the website the search engine from being able to spider it. It can prevent it from working correctly in a browser. And I mean, look at this. They've got an H2 tag. Okay, the H2 is inside of an H4. So they've got an H2 tag inside the H4. Is that what they're saying? Anyway, there's all kinds of crazy stuff going on. But if the website is not ADA compliant, and I'm seeing more and more and more videos of people saying that they got fined $50,000, that's what you get fined, $50,000 for one incident, and it's like $150,000 for every incident after that. And you can get sued too. So you've got people who are making their total living going around and suing people because their websites are not ADA compliant. So not only is the website got errors in it, it's got to be error free. For it to be ADA compliant, the first step is that it doesn't have any errors. So it's obviously not ADA compliant, it's full of errors. But you've also got tools that you can check to see if it's ADA compliant. This thing's got 3 errors and 8 alerts on it. It's just, not only is it not ADA compliant because it's got bad code, but it's also not ADA compliant because it's got errors in it. We can get the details on the error. We've got one linked image missing alternative text with language missing or invalid. So we got an empty link tag, a tag that doesn't, maybe that's that price tag I was clicking on a second ago. And you've got a lot of web designers and SEOs that say it's impossible to build a website that's not ever free. Well, this website right here, it's got a shopping cart on it. It's got all kinds of, it's got a lot of content on it. It's got links going all over the place in it and everything else. But when I check it, it gets 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. The first content pane is in 0.9 seconds. The largest content pane is in 0.9 seconds. It doesn't. It's got an improperly sized image. I think that's on the logo. So the logo needs to be fixed on this website. But that's it. And that logo will be fixed on the website because if there's an error, if you're a professional web developer and you see a problem in your coding or a problem with something you've done, you should fix it. And step one to being a professional is that you check and you make sure that the code validates. This website has 0 errors, no errors anywhere, and not only does it not have any errors, but it also doesn't have any ADA compliant issues either. So this website is ADA compliant, is error free, and it loads in 0.9 milliseconds. That's what a professional website looks like. This guy here talking about they build high quality websites and all this stuff, and they're building awesome websites. He's building crap websites and he's polluting the internet with code bloat and bad designs and bad coding. That's my 2 cents.